Now that we have done the profit and loss for the months, we will now do the totaling, the total expense, the total revenue, and then the total profit or loss, okay, the resultant, whichever is higher. Okay, the formula for adding up a series of cells, there is a shortcut, equal to SUM, sum, okay, like sum total, equal SUM, open bracket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select January, February, March, all these expenses until December. Okay, and if you notice what Excel has done, can't zoom out. Okay, it has done the sum of E6 to E17, a range. E6 ranging from E6 to E17 inclusive. Okay, once you got that, you can either you can just hit enter, or by right you need to close the bracket and enter. Okay, so what this does, okay, let me zoom out and you can see. So if I double click this, equal to sum of E6 to E17 inclusive. So it's adding up all these numbers and giving you a grand total like that. Okay, we can actually at this point take this sum formula and just drag it across, and it will give you the sum for revenue and the resultant sum of the negative and positive, giving you the profit and loss. Okay, let me just do that again and showing you another way to do your sum. Okay, so putting at the box, previously we did equal to SUM and then we selected this whole thing. Okay, and then we enter. Okay, there's a one button shortcut. Since this function is used so many times in Excel, they've actually created a button here. If you go to the top right hand side, you can see this sigma symbol. Sigma is a capital S in Greek letter. Okay, usually used to signify summation. Okay, so if you just click that, Excel will print out the formula straight away, anticipating that you're trying to do the sum total of all the numbers it can see above you. Okay, so let me do that again. Placing your cursor there, just hit the summation sign, one button click, and you've got it. Okay, of course if your data is split up across some writing, then this won't work, but otherwise it will plug in the whole range of continuous data there. Okay, at this point just press enter, and then we're going to take this formula, the sum formula, and drag it to the right to fill that in. Okay, one last thing to format. Maybe the total we like to put it in bold. Okay, another thing is that all these are dollars. Okay, and where's the dollar sign? Okay, so we're going to show you how to do that here. Don't click this dollar sign. I'm going to show you another type. So select all the numbers that are supposed to be in dollars. Okay, instead of clicking this dollar sign, which is accounting. Okay, the problem with accounting, let me just show you, is that the -265 negative numbers will be shown. Let me just click that. Will be shown in brackets. Okay, once again, when you see all this mess, the hashtags, it just means that the cell is not big enough to display the contents. Okay, let me just open up or double click. Okay, so the problem with clicking the dollar sign in accounting mode is the negative number becomes in bracket, and some of you are not used to that. Okay, so if you want to see a negative dollar, what you do is don't use this dollar sign, click the little arrow, and let's look for currency. No, let's click this arrow. No, it's this one. Okay, and instead of accounting, let's go for currency. Okay, so click on currency again. From this drop down menu, general number, currency, the third one. then you will see minus 265 in dollars. Okay, so that is how you do the profit and loss. We're going to move on to the GST now, and this column here, I'm just going to color it. Okay, and I'm going to shade and bold the headers and just adjust the columns a bit. And alright, so this, given the price of $20, GST being 7%, we are going to find the price with GST, meaning that if $20 is the principal sum, the 100%, we're going to stack on an additional 7% and give you the total, okay, 107%. Okay, so equal to 107% multiply by, and I click this box containing the unit price there, the principal sum, $20. Okay, 106% multiply by I6 containing there, and press enter. Okay, so that gives you 2140. Okay, $20 plus 140, which is 7%. Okay, and let Excel do the drag down for the rest. Okay, another way, let me undo that. Another way to do that is, again, double click down. Okay, these figures, if you like to see them in dollar sign, just change that to currency. Again, the column is too small, let's just open it. Okay, and that is how we do a calculation of a price with GST.